Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make some spinach dish. For that we need spinach, of course, to be cut it into 3 pieces. Put some olive oil into the pan, turn on the gas, and let's add the spinach into that so that it will be totally cooked before we are going to make the dish itself. So for that you need to close it for several minutes and then add some salt to it and let it stay there and be cooked for several more minutes. While the spinach is being cooked, let's break the 2 eggs and add some salt to these ones as well. Later we are going to add this to the spinach, as you understood, so let's have them ready. And whenever the spinach is ready, is totally cooked, we will add the egg to it. Make sure to mix it a little bit so that all of the parts of the eggs are properly cooked. And whenever this one is ready, we'll be ready to proceed to the next one, to the dough. For the dough, we need to open it up. We have got a ready-made dough, so all we need to do is make a round out of it, which is very easy and very fast, so let's go on and do that. And whenever done, we'll need to do some things concerned to the design of our dish. For that, let's make some lines, cut some lines, make an imaginary line between this round dough and cut it from the half. Make the cuttings from the half. And now we're going to weave it like as you see in the video. Don't touch the first part. The other part of the round is we are going to add the spinach into that part. Here, just add all of it in there, like as a line. And whenever added it all, we will be ready to round this. And kind of close it with the ones that we have just made, you know. This is beautiful, right? An amazing one. Close with all of them. And whenever done, we will be ready to make a round of it and put it to be cooked in the oven from 20 to 25 minutes. Whenever you see that the top is a little bit bronzy, you can also add a little bit of olive oil or egg onto the top of it before putting it into the oven. Cut it down into pieces and you will be ready to taste it. We hope you will like it. Good appetite!